you ready for slow burn? Well, I hope so, because I'm Brad Fanshaw, and I'm your mixologist today, and we're going to bring you the slow burn bourbon cocktail, and it goes with episode 90 of Man Seeks Adventure podcast. And not only that, it has pyrotechnics. Because we're going to take this rosemary sprig right here, and we're going to burn it. We're going to burn it and try and get it crispy. Get some real essence out of it. And then what we're going to do, once we get it nice and toasty, get some real, seriously, you want to get it toasted on the ends. It's going to emit that smoky, aromatic rosemary. What we're going to do, we're going to break it like that, and we're going to put it right in here, because we're going to pour the drink over the top. So, what we're going to do is take our Hudson's Baby Bourbon. We're going to put 2 ounces into our shaker. That's right, 2 ounces of Hudson's. Put that in there. Good there. We're going to add some bitters. Now, I'm pretty liberal with the bitters. I say a splash, but let's go a couple dashes. And then you can get sparkling ice, lemon lime, carbonated water, pretty much any grocery store, and about 4 ounces of that in there. There we go. A little more. And a lot of ice. Now you do have to be a little bit careful with the carbonated beverage, because it does want to fizz up, but we'll be careful. Might make a little bit of a mess, but not too much. Get the lid on really well. Give it a good couple of shakes. Get it in there. See what I mean? Wants to go all over the place. We're going to strain it out over the top of that rosemary. Look at that. That smoky flavor is going to be emitting from there. And now, a nice big rock. And we have the slow burn for Man Seeks Adventure, episode 90, a bourbon cocktail, perfect for kicking back, listening to some vinyl albums, and just enjoying. Oh man, is that good. And the smoky essence is right there.